Hi, it's Agrication, and today we're going to show you how to make pizza from scratch, and my daughter's going to go through it now.
These are the ingredients you will need.
You will need a packet of dried yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 250 ml of warm water, 375 grams of strong plain flour, and salt and pepper.
Add the yeast to warm water. Then weigh out your flour. Sift the flour into a bowl. Add sugar, salt and pepper. Make a well in your flour and add your yeast, water and oil. Use your hands to mix everything together. Sprinkle flour over a clean work surface. Then knead the dough for 8 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Oil a large bowl, pop in the dough and cover it with cling film. Leave in a warm place until the dough has doubled in size. Now it is ready. Poke holes in the dough, then take a piece. Roll it into shape. Cover the base with tomato puree. Add your cheese and what other toppings you like.
Now it's time for the parents to take over. Grease a tray, put the pizza onto the tray and put it into the oven at about 180 degrees. It will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes for the pizza to cook, but this is all dependent on the size of the pizza. Now it is time to remove the pizza from the oven and let your children enjoy it. A simple recipe for all to enjoy. I hope you try it at home and enjoy the delights.